Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation got me sweating nightly chills, margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by Slade, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by Slade, ghostly serenade. Watch them candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise, haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heartbeats, quick pace, victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by Slade, hard in the tickers, every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Spin stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by Slade, ghostly serenade.
Yo, 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 what's up, everybody? How's it going? How is it going? What up, Yash? What up, what up? What up, Ryan Wenzel? What's going on? How's it going? What's up, Paul? Said gold. I know it's pumping, ain't it? Gold pumping. Like, look at that dip, though. Look at that dip right there. All right, let's take a look here at the NASDAQ. What's up, Calvin? Let's wait on some people to hop in here. Wait on a few people to hop in here. Let's get hydrated. Drink some of this water. Oh, let me get the music turned on too. I was listening to music by myself over here. There we go. How'd everybody do yesterday? Did you guys trade? Did you guys trade yesterday? How'd it go? Tea Coffee says, hello, everyone. Hello, Tea Coffee. Ryan says, was wondering if gold goes back to 4170 on this retrace. Could. Who knows? Seems to just keep going up. I haven't really been looking at gold. I can't trade it on the live account, so haven't really been looking at it. Calvin says he was green. Let's go. Tea Coffee made $400 on MNQ yesterday. Heck yeah, dude. Heck yeah. Let's go. I had a good day yesterday also. I had a good day. Haven't taken a trade today yet, though. This morning it was just, London session was not that good. London session wasn't that good this morning. I was over here. We were looking at this down here, and I was saying how I wanted it to come tap into this 30-minute fair value gap up here, but it never gave a good entry. Never really gave a good entry up to there. So then I was saying, you know, if it got into there, I might be looking for a short. And there was a pretty good short that happened right here, but I didn't take it. But it did happen. Happened right there. Could have got about 28 points. I was on a one-on-one call when this happened, so I didn't take it, but got about 28 points from that trade. So far, it's still respecting it, so it may keep coming down, but I'm gonna keep looking here, see if I can find something. Frank Mortimer said, glad I was not the only one. You're talking about the only one that couldn't find a trade this morning? Because I mean, even the candles were all choppy looking, dude. Like, they were all chopped, and there was a bunch of like volume imbalances. Like, anytime I see a bunch of volume imbalances, dude, I know it's about to be just a slow morning. Like, you see how all these candles have gaps and volume imbalances? That's, you don't really want to see that. So you don't really want to see that. But I'm gonna, in a few minutes, I'm gonna make a what I want to see here for the New York session. Let me know how you guys are doing, though. You guys, you think we're gonna go down or up from here today? This right here, from 24,960. Do you think we'll be higher or lower than 24,960 by the end of the day? Let me know. Let me know. Thebout says, higher. Sorry if I just absolutely wrecked your name. Sorry. Says higher. Everybody's saying higher. Tactical says lower. Frank, Trump accepted what? Tariffs? Man, let's see. I don't really like, anytime I see something like this, like, yeah, it's kind of rejecting from the fair value gap, the 30-minute, but like, it's just hanging around here. So anytime I see something like hanging around here, I always think it's gonna possibly get one more sweep up. We'll see. We'll see here, but let's just start it out here. Looking at the daily. Let's just take a look here at the daily. And let's take a look here. So this is the daily time frame. All right. We got a daily time frame. Let's grab our little marker. So we know that this was the big drop from the news. Well, then we gapped up. We got this push higher. And then we came down and filled the gap and instantly rejected back up And now today we opened up tiny wick and we're pushing up. Last time we rejected in this fair value gap right here, and also it's kind of like at this support area now turned resistance. So the real question for today is, are we gonna come up here to the previous day high today? Are we gonna reach the previous day high, or are we gonna create like a morning star type deal? Not really, but we got the wick, we got a higher wick, and then we're gonna have another wick right here, and it's just gonna kind of reject right here and come down. That could be a scenario. That could be a scenario. We'll see though. I think it's more likely we're closer to the previous day high, but we could start to reject here, come back down. Yo, Camille, what up? If you're in here, say hello. What up, Devin? Devin says, can create an S&T and go down if it inverses a fair value gap. That's true. That is true. If you're in here, say hello. I want to say hello to everybody. All right, let's take a look at the 4 hour. Now on the 4 hour, we did inverse this gap here. So that points to higher. We did inverse this gap on the 4 hour time frame. So we could see, yeah, previous day high would be the target there. After this inversion right here on the 4 hour, the previous day high seems like it could be in play right here. Semialia says, hello, why don't you come to the BDH? I did go to the BDH. I was there. I want to go again though. It was fun. Yeah, I can see previous day high here. So let me take a screenshot of this. Man, I can't do these drawings today, man. So this is the previous day high right here. And we inversed the 4 hour. Just ain't right. Said, I saw Slade at the BDH before Rena had a meltdown. Yeah, that's right. What's up, Mr. Dollar? What's up, Mad Money? Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it looks clean to go up here. I just don't know if we're going to come back down, retest this, and go up. But previous day high seems like it's in play today. Take a screenshot of this. That could be good for the analysis. And now, knowing that, you remove those, come down here to the 1 hour, see what's going on the 1 hour. I mean, it's literally just kind of been straight up here, a slow grind up. slow grind up so far on this hourly time frame. Yo, thanks for the sub, Rocky. Thanks for the sub, Slot Monkey. Let's go. Maybe we get a little retrace down, tap into a fair value gap, and then go on up. Got a previous resistance zone right here. Maybe we come back down, kind of tap this area right here, possibly. Come back down, tap it, go up. We'll see. Not, you know, I want to see that previous day high get hit, but nothing is really like just absolutely popping out at me today. You know, nothing's too obvious. I mean, the only obvious thing I see would just kind of be us grinding back up this candle here, this big move down, just kind of grind our way up it. It's the only thing that is super obvious. I mean, this is ideally what I would like to see. Come back down, sweep this level. It looks like a nice liquidity area right here. This would be ideal. If we came down, sweep these lows right here, get an inversion, back up. I would like that. That'd be something that would be phenomenal, but it's kind of far away, so I don't really expect that to happen. See if there's anything lower here. It's not too far. We did already sweep these highs right here, though. And the analysis from the London streams playing out here, didn't get to take advantage of it. Rejecting from this 30-minute fair value gap right now. Bassett says, hi Slade, do you trade New York session? Sometimes. Not on stream though. Sometimes I trade, but I'm at work during the New York session, so. Swept that area and starting to come down here. $30-minute. What's up, Chris? I mean, it could go two ways, right? It could go two ways. And all right, so this is the 30-minute time frame. I know one scenario I have in mind that I want. So basically, if this 30-minute right here gets inversed, I could see this. Let me just make sure. 1 hour. If this 1 hour right here gets inversed, I could see us coming down here. So if this 1 hour right here gets a closure below it, I could see us coming down to at least take out this area right here. So if we get a closure below here, see us taking this out. So that's one scenario. And then from there, it could continue down. But this would be the first kind of target. So, all right, knowing that, let me just take a screenshot of this. And then from here, it could either continue down, or we could get an inversion play. So something like this. Come down, sweep this area, and get something like that. And that's only if it makes it down this low. It could just reject from here and go up in this 1 hour fair value gap. That's only if it closes below there. All right, so let me download this. All right. Yo, thanks for the subs. Thanks for the subs. Appreciate it, Bassett. Yeah, just kind of going through what I want to see here for the New York session. That's if this 1 hour fair value gap gets inversed. Now we could get an inversion from here after sweeping this low right here, like basically right now, and start to drive it back higher. So that's another scenario. But then in that case, we would just keep going higher. Just got this sweep right here. Now if we got like an inversion, then we could continue up higher. 3-minute inversion right here. We could continue higher up to those previous day highs. So now let me just make this little oh, it's doing it, dude. It might be doing it. All right, let me could get an inversion here. Let me go over here to the 1 hour time frame. I don't know, 5 minute. And from here, we could just sweep this little level right here, get an inversion, and continue up higher. And then if we did that, we'd make an inversion right here. All right, I think that's what I'm going to roll with today. Bassett says, what time frame you execute on? Usually 1 to 5 minute is the execution time frames. I'll use anywhere 1 to 5 minutes. All right. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Let me send these analysis in here now. How's everybody doing? What's up, Biblical? What's up, Biblical? What's going on? Let's see what's gonna happen here. It's gonna keep coming down, or is it gonna go up from here? See if this now we've got a 5 minute though. See if this 5 minute gets inversed right here. Hang on, guys. Give me just a second. I'm typing up this analysis in the Discord here. And then after I get it sent out, I'll be right back. All right. Analysis is sent out. Sent out. All right. What's up, everybody? What's up, Coach Fred? What's up, VGay giveaway today? If you guys hit 69 likes, there's 31 right now. Sebi, no, I have not entered a position yet. Not entered a position yet. Not even in the London session did it catch anything. Oh yeah, James. I'm kind of. It's a hybrid. I call it a hybrid of. I don't know any. I didn't really study ICT, but I do like the fair value gaps and liquidity and stuff. I like to utilize those. But said, out of trading circle, any new jewelry, Slade? Yeah, I made a cool little band that's gonna go. It's gonna go for around somebody's ring. It looks pretty nice. Let me try to it's not a great picture, but I'm gonna be making some cool stuff in coming up though. I'll be making some cool. I'm gonna show you guys probably later this week. I'll have some cool stuff to show you. No, Sebi, I haven't entered anything here yet. Just waiting and watching. We got this 1 hour fair value gap right here. Look at this though. This 5 minute gets inversed here. Might be a good long. Be a good long right here. I'm gonna put the risk reward tool on because it gets people to get on the stream. They like watching it when the risk reward tool's on there. But I'm not in anything. I'm gonna put on here waiting on closure. How about that? It's not gonna happen. It's rejecting. It's about to come down. It's not gonna confirm. Ghost lead. No, I'm not. Let's see, dude. See if it's gonna continue on down. Yo, thanks for the sub, Hussein. Let's go, biblical, catching the short. Dude, I called a good short this morning in the I called a good short. Didn't take it. In this 30-minute fair value gap. And then right here. Boom. But I didn't take it. Ugh. Vivek, this is the NASDAQ NQ Futures. NQ Futures. See if this 5 minutes gonna close above there. We got 36 likes. We can get to 69. We'll do 2 giveaways in a row, 2 days in a row. 2 days in a row. Can you get Can you get to 69 likes 2 days in a row? Let's see. Yeah, I think I'd have to wait on this 5 minute. I was trying to look to see if I could find anything on a lower time frame that I could enter a little early, but these candles are kind of small too. It could just roll back over. But if this 5 minute closes above here, I'd be willing to take a long. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, Biblical. Like the way these candles look, and it looks like it's getting ready to dump. Like the way they keep rejecting, but if this closes above here, I would take a stab long, just the way, just kind of got this stuff building up here, got the previous day high right there, and it's just been grinding up all night. So I mean, what are the odds it doesn't just grind up one more time here? Looks like we're making like a bull flag right here, maybe getting ready. Yeah, it kind of looks like we're bull flagging a little bit. But we are getting some good rejections here. So could just dump off here. Yeah, I'm kind of indecisive right now. Ahmed, yeah, this is NQ. Thanks for the sub, Kaiser. How much longer on this 5 minute candle? There's the 3 minutes left here. Let's go, Ahmed. Where'd you see the videos at? Where'd you see the videos? What platform? On YouTube? Let's go, Biblical. 32 days green. Heck yeah. CM, my favorite energy drink. You want me to show you? Let me look it up. Let me look it up, and I'm probably gonna get one today on the way to work. Let me show you. This one. Don't get it mixed up. Don't get it mixed up with the other one. What the heck? Can you see it? The pink zero sugar monster. There's two different kinds. Don't get it mixed up with the other pink one. That one's trash. The other pink one's trash. But this one, ruby red, it's the best, dude. Ultra Fantasy Ruby Red. Zero sugar. It's the best. And then, look, when I'm feeling crazy, this is what I go for. When I'm feeling crazy. Right here. This one. This giant white monster with the cap on it. It's huge, dude. But that's just when I'm feeling crazy. don't look like this candle's gonna close. Vivek says, how much leverage do you use? I just trade like usually like 1 to 3 minis on NASDAQ on NQ. KJ says, hey, where do you work? I work at a jewelry store in Columbus, Georgia. A jewelry store. Laser says, what chart is this? This is an NQ, NASDAQ Futures. Don't look like we're going to get this closure here. But I wouldn't be surprised if this next candle just pumps it on up there without us. It's pumping, coming up. Well, not really pumping, but it's coming up slowly. Right up here. Who is control the market? I don't know, bro. I don't know who controls the market. I just watch these candlesticks and try to make money. But I don't know who controls the market. KJ, it's like my business. I run the jewelry store. Fifth Day Aviator says ICT does. Yeah, KJ, it's my store. Ahmed, this is the 5-minute time frame right now. You can see it down there on the bottom of that vertical stream. It has the time frame I'm currently on. Dude, oh, I meant to tell you guys. I gotta show you though, so I can tell you. I gotta show you so I can tell you. I forgot to tell everybody. Look at it coming up now, dude. 2 minutes left on this candle. I meant to tell everybody. Thanks for the look, dude. We've reached 4,000. We've reached 4,000. Thanks for the subs. You guys are the best. You're the best. Thanks for the subs. 4K. Let's go. Look at this, man. It's pumping without us. I told you it was gonna go without us. If it doesn't hit this, I'll still enter. But if it hits this, I'm not gonna enter. We're hitting that BPR, dude. Oh yeah, BPR right there. Is it gonna reject from here? A minute left. Gray block is a fair value gap. It's a fair value gap. This one right here is an inversion, though. It was a fair value gap. It's a gap in the wicks. And then if you get a closure above, it turns into an inversion fair value gap. And that could be a potential entry. Let's see if it's going to close. Projecting off of that 1 minute BPR that you were talking about there. All right. Let's see if it's going to pump here. That would be break even. Ooh. Reza, yes, NAS 100, but this is NQ, so it's the futures version. It's the futures version of NAS 100. No, I'm not in. I had my limit order set down here. It didn't get tagged. But if it comes down and gets tagged, I'll be in. You could have entered on the close of this candle, but I just kept my limit order right here where this risk reward tool is. If it comes down, I'll be tagged in. If not, I just won't be in this trade. Might just pump up from here, but I got my limit order set. Let's see if I'm gonna get tagged in here. Nah, biblical. My order's at 958.50. I don't think it's probably just gonna head up to that break-even spot. We'll see. Yo, thanks for the sub. 8450 BY. Might just go up from here. If it's that break-even spot, I'll just cancel the order. But still hasn't hit it yet. But if it hits the break-even spot, Let's see. Just holding up here, just chopping around. Is it gonna tag me in? Nah, it's just gonna go to that break even in it. Hussein says, do you scalping? Yeah, I like to scalp. Pretty much scalp. Sometimes I'll catch some bigger moves, but I'm on the low time frame scalping. Nice shelf at 9.54 on a 1 minute. Oh, heck yeah, I see it. It's gonna take out that break-even spot. It's about to take it out, dude. Oh, coming down. We're going to get tagged in, dude. Are we going to get tagged in? It's coming. Close above the BPR. Heck yeah. Let's see. I'm about to get tagged in. All right, dude, I'm in. I'm in the trade. I literally got tagged in right there. Oh, yeah, baby. Pump. Pump. Pump, pump, pump. Come on, pump it up there. Eric Soul, it's because of the inversion. 5-minute inversion play. On the 5-minute, we came down, tapped it in this, we tapped into this 1 hour fair value gap, swept out these lows right here, and then got a 5-minute inversion. So then I just placed a limit order down here on a retrace back down. And now I'm in. I mean, I could have entered up here, but I just put my limit order down here to get kind of a better risk reward. So that was the reason. Well, coming down now. We've got a gap right here, another 5-minute gap. I hope this holds. Come on, pump it for us, dude. Can this gap right here hold? There we go. There we go. Pump. That's what I'm talking about, dude. Pump it up. Pump, pump, pump. Come on. Pump. Pump it up for me. Let's go. Woo! Come on, dude. How many points is this? Woo! 10 points right there. There's the break even. Oh, yeah, buddy. About 22 points right here. If it makes it up here, 22 points. Let's go. Oh, come on, keep pumping for us. Keep pumping. Dude, don't stop there. No need in stopping there. Just keep pumping. What an entry, though. Literally bottom ticked. 33 points. Dude, don't come back down. Pump it up for us. So we got about 10 points out of that so far. Oh, what did I just press? All right, let me looks like I'm gonna get the rest stopped out at break even here. Yeah, I got stopped at break even, and then oh my dude. They're targeting my orders, dude. Dude, I got stopped right at break even. And now watch it pump. And now watch it. Well, I took a little bit there. I snagged a little bit. I'm up $215 on the day in the live account. $215. I was looking for more, though. I was looking for more. I wanted this previous day high up here, brother. What's up, Ivan? Yeah, Devin, I took it. I partialed here at about 10 points. Well, a little over. I got 215 bucks, and then the rest stopped at break even. Yeah, the rest got taken at break even. The rest of them got taken out at break even. But I did lock in about $215, so wasn't a total bust, you know. 215 bucks. That's a good day at a job, man, you know. That's your average day that's a good day at a regular job. Yo, what up, Poke? Thanks for the sub. What up, Moraga? Thanks for the sub. Look at it. It's gonna pump now, dude. Oh, it's gonna fly now. It needed that one more sweep in to get us all stopped out at break even, and now it's gonna fly. Now it's gonna fly, brother. Get ready. We're going to the previous day high from here. We got this trend line liquidity built up, and it's ready to roll, buddy. Trend line liquidity. This thing's about to run. Some LRLR built up, and we got the volume increasing here. I can tell the candle's getting kind of spicy, you know. Kind of spicy. And now we're getting ready, about to fly. Yo, thanks for the sub. Let's go. Hello, what's up, everybody? What's up, everybody? How's it going? What up? What, dude? We got 106 people watching. Let's go, dude. Let's go. We're getting ready to fly. We're getting ready to fly. Moraga says, what are you trading? I'm trading NQ. NASDAQ futures. If you trade with futures funded accounts and you want a chance to get free accounts, and the main thing is cash back, like cash raffle every month, join the Discord. If you use my code, you can sign up for the cash raffle. We got a big pot already for October. We've already got a huge pot for October, giving away a bunch of money at the end of the month. So if you pick up any accounts, just use my code. You're going to get a discount for anybody's code to use. So use mine, and then you can also be entered in to win some free stuff. Money. What's the best size for 50K funded, says the Shiny Paladin. It's really up to your trading style, but I usually use about 1 mini. During New York session, I'll use smaller, like 5 micros or something. Oh man, it's about to, dude, it's getting ready to fly. It's spreading its wings right now. It came down, took a dump on me, and now it's flying. This thing's getting ready to fly. Oh, heck yeah, dude. We got 69. Well, we got 68. Mine says we need one more like. Mine says 68. Somebody else better hit the like button. Yo, thanks for the sub. Look at this, dude. It literally got me in, got its wings ready to fly, and then came down, took a dump on me, and now it's flying. All right, we got 70 likes, dude. We're doing a giveaway. You got to be in the Discord. Go type in the giveaway channel. Go type in the giveaway channel to be entered into the giveaway. Dude, I can't believe this, man. I'm about to fly, dude. Makes me mad. Doing a giveaway. Join up in the Discord. Join up in the Discord and type something in the giveaway channel. You can type anything. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Benjamin, the Discord link, it's either in the description or it's on in my bio on my profile. Either one of those, in the description or let's go. Everybody go type in the giveaway channel and type something. Let's go take a look here, what you guys are typing. Here we go. Everybody's entering in the giveaway, dude. Who's ready? Is it flying away, dude? Is it literally? Is it flying away? I'm not even gonna look at it. I'm not even gonna look at the chart. I'm not even gonna look. I'm so mad. You guys want to do the duck race? Is that what I'm hearing? Want to do the duck race today? Trade is running, dude. Don't tell me that, bug. I don't want to hear that when I'm not in it anymore. When it came down, it literally came down, took a crap on my parade, and now it's running. I don't want to hear it. I'm not even going to look at the chart, dude. I'm not looking at it. That's why I got the Discord over the chart. It's right over the price, so I can't see it. I don't even want to know, dude. Makes me so mad. Watch it go all the way up to previous day high for like 80 points and me feel like, ugh. Well, guys, congratulations. That's what you get when you trade a live account. They can see your orders on the books and they come down, they crap on them, and then they just fly away. So that's what happens. It was my orders, guys. My live account orders. It came down just to snag my order and left. And look at it, dude. I can see the little line over here on the side, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. Just go. That's just fantastic. Dude, that's just fan-freaking-tastic. Wow. 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 Dude. Wow. Well, you just fly then, little birdie. You just go without me. I don't even care. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh. Wow. Let me just tell everybody in the Discord here. I'm just gonna literally I'm gonna type wow. That's all I'm gonna type. Just gonna say wow. I said wow. Dude. Come the frig on, man. Is it gonna go all the way up to that previous day high up there for like 80 points or something without me? Just go, why don't you? I didn't want to get 86 points today anyway. I didn't want 86 points. It took your order, spit on it, threw it on the ground, and then pooped on it. That's exactly what it did, dude. That's what it did, man. That's what it did, bro. Laser didn't go to break even. Yeah, if you didn't go to break even, congratulations. Congratulations. You're big green right now. Big green, big green. All right, who's ready to do the giveaway? You guys ready to do the giveaway? You guys ready? Ready. All right, first things first. I gotta grab everybody's name. First things first, I gotta go to duck race. We're doing a duck race today, but I'm still gonna have to use Chat GPT for something here. I figure, dude, this is gonna make it a lot easier now. I just figured out something that'll make this so much easier. Oh, I put lost. Dude, what the heck? I forgot to paste the message. Maybe that's why it ain't working. But how did it know that? How did it know that those people typed? Must be from yesterday. Dude, we got a lot of people today. Laser said took profits now. Dude, it's about to be at all-time high. I mean, previous day high up there. All right, let's do it. Look, it's going to be so easy now. I just grab all your names like this. Go over here to duck race. Come up here. Boom. Everybody's in. Let me make sure. Oh my gosh. It put spaces in there. Let me try this again. Oh my gosh, it's not gonna work. All right, I got an idea. I just have to go through here. It'll still be easier. I'll just have to add like 4 names that are missing. Who's ready, dude? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win the duck race? I think I'm gonna win. They put me in there. All right, so we ended at babushka. So we need these people left. Ended at babushka. There we go. All right, got everybody. Yeah, I could do that. Fifth day aviator, that's a good idea. Yeah. All right. All right, all right, all right. Who's ready for the duck race, dude? Who's ready? Who is ready? Let me set it at 2 minutes here. And we're gonna start it in 3, 2. Let me figure out how to start it. 3, 2, 1. All right. The ducks are off. Who's gonna win? Yeah, this is a lot of ducks. A lot of ducks. Somebody's name isn't in there? Somebody's name isn't in there. Well, let's see. We got 38 seconds left here. 38 seconds. Yeah, she typed late. I was already done. My bad, bro. Well, I had it open for like 10 minutes. Let's see. 20 seconds left. Who's gonna come from behind and win? Somebody's gonna come from behind. I think it's who's gonna do it. 8, 7. Bug is coming up. Look at Bug. Look at Bug. It's Vsis. Vsis with the win. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm about to message you. I'm about to message you on Discord right now. I said, yo, just message me back. We'll get that account set up for you. We'll get that account set up for you. Let's go. Congratulations. Look at it run, dude. Oh my gosh. I'm so mad right now. I am so mad. No way, dude. No way. I got crapped on like this, dude. Dude, this thing teased me worse than my girlfriend does, bro. No way. No way, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at this though. Is it gonna go hit that previous day high, dude? It just swept this right here. It swept this wick right here and is dumping off now. Dumping off. I'll stay on a few more minutes to see if it reaches up there for that previous day high. But what a candle there. Dumping down. Let's see if it's gonna reject right here and continue up in this fair value gap. ES took yesterday's high. Maybe an SMT then. ES just took yesterday's high. Let me take a look. It looks like it been took yesterday's high. It looks like ES took it a while ago though. Dude, I just want to stay on and see if it's going to go hit this previous day high up here, man. It's going to go hit the previous day high. Thanks everybody for the subs. I appreciate it. We're going to be, dude, I feel like a few weeks ago I was saying we're going to be at 4K before we know it. And now we're going to be at 5K. Literally a few weeks ago, I remember hitting 3,000 subs and now I'm at 4,000. Before we know it, we're going to be at 5,000 subs. Make sure you join the Discord. We're always hanging out in there. A lot of value in there too. Thanks everybody for the subs. And also, if you buy any futures accounts, make sure to use my code. You'll be entered into the monthly raffle I do. I give away money and prop firm accounts and some premium stuff too. Premium. All right, let's see. It's gonna keep climbing here. It's gonna keep climbing. Ooh. Man, dude. This would have been... Let me just calculate here. Dude. If I held all my contracts, if I held all the contracts and held it all the way up here to the previous day high, it'd be 5,000. Just a swift $5,000, you know. You know, if I held them all. I was in 3 contracts. I took one off, but dude. 50 Aviator says, can you go over right quick like a 5-minute inversion fair value gap because it's swept? Oh, can you go over swept what area of interest? Okay, let me show you here. So on the 1 hour time frame, let me hide this so it's easier to see. So if we look at the 1 hour time frame right here, if we look at the 1 hour time frame, well, also we've been grinding up all night, grinding up. And usually when you get a grind up, it just continues to grind up. That's just from experience. You just got to know that kind of stuff from experience. But if we look at the 1 hour time frame, we have a fair value gap right here. All right, dude. Why ain't my thing working? Dude, why ain't my pen thing working here? Well, my drawings aren't working. Well, I'm talking about, I got this Epic pen here and it's really nice, but it's not working right now. Control Shift 1. Well, I don't know. It's not working. But anyway, let me just continue onward here. No, this isn't TradingView. This is something else. This is an add-on here. It's not working right now. But anyway, so basically we have a 1 hour fair value gap. Let's keep that in mind. We hop down here to the 5-minute time frame, and now I can just show the drawings back. So this is that 1 hour fair value gap right here. Well, we came down and we swept this low right here. We were consolidating, kind of consolidating. Boom, swept this low. And that sweep right there led us into this 5-minute inversion. And I was already wanting to target these previous day highs up here. And then also we have pretty much some trend line liquidity, so I know usually it'll at least come up and take out the top of this trend line right here. So we got that inversion right there after tapping into this 1 hour fair value gap and sweeping out these lows. So then that's why I entered on this inversion. But yeah, it looks like it's dumping down now. It hasn't hit the previous day high yet. But I'm just going to wait around and see. I'm about to hop off here, guys. I got to head to work. But I'll be back on tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. See you guys tomorrow. Whoa, look at that open. Look at that candle. That 8:30 candle. Is it news or something today? But yeah, I'm about to hop off. Must be news. Look at that candle. All right. Hope everybody has a good day. Be safe in the markets, and I'll see you. Peace.
Charts looking spooky, candles doing witchcraft, NASDAQ waving at me, specter in the riffraff. Gold got the treasure buried deep like a tomb, market makers lurking, shadows in the dark room. Fear of liquidation Invasion got me sweating nightly chills. Margin calls echo like echoes in the hills. Screens glow, eerie numbers on a dark stage. I'm trying to make a living, break out of this cage. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade. Watch the candles bleed like fangs in the mist. Intraday terror, every trade's a twist. Market ghouls whisper, trying to snatch my soul, but I'm steady on the grind, pockets full of gold. Creeping through the charts, shadows in disguise. Haunted by the graphs, fear in my eyes. Every trade a thriller, heart beats quick pace. Victory in sight, I ain't falling from grace. Trades by slate, hard in the tickers. Every move precise like nighttime tricksters. Wind stack tall amidst the twilight fade. Trades by slate, ghostly serenade.